If you're a freelancer and you're actually getting this kind of message from Fiverr, we cannot approve your seller's account. This image you can see on my screen right now. If you're a freelancer and you're actually getting this from Fiverr, that means they cannot approve your account. And this video right now is actually for you. It's for you. So guys, welcome to Skill Studio, and basically in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a Fiverr account, and at the same time your Fiverr account will be approved at the same time. Recently, a lot of freelancers have been facing a lot of issues creating an account and your account will not be approved, like seeing this kind of messages from Fiverr, probably in your mail, and you'll be able to access the account. It's so common nowadays on Fiverr. So the next thing you have to do is, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then after subscribing to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell for more updates from this channel. So the first thing you have to do is to calm down. We will teach you how to create your account, and the account will stay and you will approve the account. So the first thing you have to do is to have a VPN, or have a website that has an inbuilt VPN. So one of these websites that has an inbuilt VPN is one called Epic Browser. We have Epic Browser. You can make use of an Epic Browser. So this is what an Epic Browser is, and if you see my icon here, this is an Epic Browser. So Epic Browser actually has a particular thing we call a proxy and an inbuilt VPN, which makes all tracker from Fiverr and all other websites blocked on when you are using this particular website, this particular browser. So if you're trying to, maybe like you're going incognito on your Chrome, it still doesn't change anything about Fiverr blocking accounts. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you have a VPN or Epic Browser. So the next thing is to come to Chrome, make sure you download Epic Browser. Make sure you follow my step from the beginning to the end, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be talking about some things you have to do. So the next thing is to make sure that you download the Epic Browser. I already have the Epic Browser right here. So this is my Epic Browser. Make sure you install it. Then after installing, make sure your proxy and your VPN, can you see, is enabled. You enable it. Make sure your proxy and everything is actually on. Make sure everything is actually on. Then the next thing you have to do, so after installing your Epic Browser, go to where you can see extension. So when you get to extensions, so let me show you. When you get to extension, make sure you activate all these Epic ad blockers, Epic encrypted proxy, VPN. Like I said the other time, this is the proxy, the VPN, the inbuilt VPN behind Epic Browser. So after you've activated all these, like you put it on, as you can see. So then you go to Fiverr.com. Go to Fiverr. So let's see what we have. Then when you get to Fiverr.com, make sure you create an account. So create an account. Then at the same time, make sure that nothing happens to your connection at all. So after creating your Fiverr account, make sure you create at least 1 gig before you close your browser or anything for the day. It's not that you're going to create your account, then you're going to leave it probably for some times, then you now look for a time to create your gig. No, make sure you, after creating your account, immediately make sure you create a gig on the account, so that Fiverr will not block. And make sure that the location you set it to is what the location will be to the end of the creating of accounts and gigs. So you might be having issues like you have to verify, did you capture, maybe you are a bot or something like that. You have to verify. Don't panic. It's actually something that we can actually work around that for you. So make sure that you create an account. So after creating an account, immediately make sure you create a gig on that same account immediately. Make sure you create on that account. So when you want to verify so the only exception that we have right now is that when you are trying to input your phone number, you're in Nigeria and you have a foreign number and you're trying to input a particular number. So what you have to do is that you make sure that you off the VPN, VPN at the upper part. So after you disable the VPN, put your number. Then immediately after Fiverr has accepted your number, make sure that you put on the VPN again, like immediately on the VPN immediately. So that's the next thing you have to do. But make sure that you create the account and the gig like immediately. So guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.